Today we will be testing the FDI adaptive supertrend with floating levels. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post-trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the FDI adaptive supertrend with floating levels. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 100 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now. I will also link to it at the end of this video so that way you can just click on that link, go straight to that video, and watch that video on the best strategy that we've tested so far. We've also tested a total of 943 indicators, with 390 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also tested a total of 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the FDI adaptive supertrend with floating levels. And so the source video says that this indicator allows you to master trading in any market conditions with this buy and sell indicator. And so you can see the indicator here on screen. We did go in and make some slight modifications to this. So I would just reset it to its original look here. And this is how it looks. And so what we did was we went into the settings and we are going to turn off these top three right here. We're going to keep the bar coloration off. We're going to turn off the super trend, and we are going to turn off these four here. So the only thing that we have left on the screen is the long and the short. The long I'm going to check green, the short I'm going to check red, like so. And so in the source video, what we did, or what they did, I should say, was they were looking for the buy and sell signals, or the long and short signals. And so when they got a L right here, a yellow L, that was a signal to go long. When they got a S right here, that was a signal to go short. And so that's how we're going to test it in today's testing. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. It's kind of hard to see, but we do get the S right here with a red arrow pointing down. And so we go into consolidation for a few days here. We make a push to the downside, but we also make a hard push to the upside here. It's unclear which direction it went first. More than likely, I would guess that it went down. It then came back up, causing this wick, and then continued up. But it is very possible that it did go up before it came down. And so it may have very well stopped out before it then created this wick and started to push up. It would have gotten us to our take profit right here on this wick, but since it's such a large candle to the upside here, we're just going to go ahead and call this one a losing trade. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the next signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get that yellow L and green arrow right here. Again, it's really hard to see. It's small, but it is there. We make a little bit of a push to the upside here. It is enough to hit that 70 pip take profit before it then rolls over and makes this push to the downside. So that one does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, we then pick up another short signal right here. We get that short signal and a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things won't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get this scrolled back. Alright, so we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 trades. 5 trades within the 1 year's time. And we have 1, 2, and 3 winning trades. So that puts us at the 60% on the dot. I'd say that this indicator did pretty well. If you notice, when we get a trend move, it caught it pretty early and didn't call a trend direction change until there was an actual change and a nice push to the downside. Then once again, a change and a nice push to the upside. This technically would have been a winning trade had the stop and take profit not been quite so tight. This one here, not so much. It does look like maybe in consolidation, this indicator might struggle, but for now it is going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.